it will be amazing. I think if you close your eyes also and you can feel the St. Petersburg, that is such a romantic, such a lovely city. And before we start the event, I want a big applause for the team from St. Petersburg. I think you have really given the motivation to the travel and tourism industry of India. You were in Mumbai yesterday. I believe it was a great show. And then today in Delhi, and then next week we have the OTM big show in Mumbai also. So I think the travel trade will welcome you, and the Indians are really travel hungry. So they are looking for new destinations, and St. Petersburg is already on their list. And so I will not take much of the time. The stalwarts of our travel industries are here. So
Indian Dialogue of Culture in 2022. India is also among the top 15 trading partners of the city, and our companies have their enterprises and representative offices in India. At the beginning of the 2022, approximately 1 million Russian and foreign tourists visited St. Petersburg. Most of them were very satisfied with the entry to St. Petersburg, statistically 92%. The true format we have chosen will give us the opportunity to evaluate for giving this opportunity. Today, we continue the series of roadshows of the beautiful St. Petersburg in India. After a successful roadshow yesterday in Mumbai and many more to be followed in the future. It's clear, today India is a priority and one of the largest source markets in the world.
First of all, I would like to acknowledge that cooperation between India and Russia has a long history. As was already mentioned, this
Inglesi scetančno vynosný sen. Pronovka 10 dílíkarma debasta vidíte kraje. Tady sa podobí partida. Delegací teoretma západile kontaktili Heivan. Kuliurin parem wagona Indleu nebo. Také věříme, vidíte
Culture and offers world-class operas and ballet shows from all around the world.